Hi everyone, my name is Pradul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of me trying things that my Instagram ads recommend me. I don't even know what episode this is. I have done quite a few over the years and you guys really enjoyed. I enjoyed because I get to try the new viral products that I see online, and also this is my little way of supporting small businesses. I have to say, out of all the episodes that I've done so far, I think this one is the best one because the lineup of the products look insane. So having said that, let's get started with today's video. I think we have to start off with this top that you see right here. This is what I saw on Instagram. Ponchos are not only all over my Instagram but also my Pinterest. They're really trending and I love the print that this comes in. It's from a brand which is called 12th Edit. So their bio says loungewear beyond just sweats. That's really interesting. It looks like a very Gen Z brand. Really fun colors, lots of fun prints also. I did go and see their Instagram and their hoodies look so comfy. I'm definitely going to be picking a few up. But let's talk about this product right here. So this poncho comes in 3 different variants. I think the one that I bought is the prettiest one. I mean, obviously, which is why I picked it up. This is a crochet fabric. It looks very, very well stitched, very good quality. And it's a poncho, so you can basically wear it a lot of different ways. You can wear it one shoulder like I'm wearing it. You can wear it like a boat neck. You can also wear it like a skirt, like I've seen people styling a poncho like a skirt. So it's really up to your creativity how you want to dress this up or dress it down even, because this would be such a cute beach cover up as well. This is one of the most unique pieces in my wardrobe. I do not own a poncho. I remember wearing a poncho when I was a lot younger. So this feels very nice and nostalgic. Talking about the price, I bought this for 1490 rupees, so 1500 rupees, which I think is not bad at all. Oh, by the way, there was also a freebie that came along with it. This fan, which just goes so well with the outfit. It has their little branding right here. Very cute touch, very unique freebie. I think the most common freebie that brands do are sticker sheets. So this one I think really stands out. I have nothing bad to say about this. I am really happy with this purchase. It came on time. It looks great. I'm really excited to style it. Up next, we have some accessories from this brand called Machki Accessories. Machki Accessories. I hope I'm saying it correctly, but these aren't your typical regular accessories that you would see on Instagram. I love me gold, simple, dainty, or even in fact chunky jewelry, but this brand does some beautiful natural stone jewelry which is handcrafted. So which means that every stone, the color, the shape is slightly different. And मुझे इसके ads कब से आ रहे थे. I finally picked up a few pieces. Clearly, I'm into this vibe, but this is from H&M, whereas these are made by local artisans. My very first impression is that both of these earrings have come in individually packed so that they don't scratch, which I think is a really nice detail. The earrings are just stunning. Like, I'm looking at them up close and the finishing is fabulous. I love the green with the rose quartz. I think we're finally having fun with jewelry again. And then we have this statement necklace, again with natural stones, lots of different colors. I am really excited to style this. इसकी भी फिनिशिंग बहुत ही सुंदर है. So I paid 2,200 rupees for the earrings and 1,600 rupees for the necklace. So definitely it is on the expensive side because you could have bought so much jewelry with this same amount from Instagram. But वो सारी jewelry बहुत ही generic jewelry होती, which you see a lot, whereas this is natural stone jewelry. So it's definitely unique and it comes with the premium price tag. So if it makes sense to you, I would say go for it because the quality is really nice, and as I already said, काफी unique है ये pieces. The next brand is by no means a small business. I think we all have heard about the brand called Theatre. It started off as a shoe brand, but now they do stockings, they do perfumes, they do bags, accessories as well. I do have 2 pairs of shoes from them, and I even have stockings, a couple of stockings, and I love everything that I own. This Indian brand is doing so well for themselves. They have almost 500,000 on Instagram, and I believe they also raised 12 crores in funding rebranding in 2024 or 2025. I like to read all of these things because I also own a business. So all of these like details are very interesting and also very inspiring. Side note, I think a lot of you guys know that I have this brand which is called Simba Lifestyle since quite a few years now. And right now we're in the process of rebranding. So there's a lot that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in the coming few months. Really excited about what's about to happen. Coming back to theatre, I have always been so impressed by their packaging. I think normally we're just so used to seeing regular shoe boxes being like white color or brown color, but they have like this beautiful artwork. Love the brown color, the espresso brown, or it's actually kind of like a maroon in between. And guys, look at this. It's all about the details. The devil is in the details. Each ballet flat is wrapped in like a velvet cloth of sorts. I've never seen any brand do this before. And then they've also added this little stick, I think, for it to hold its shape. I picked up these gorgeous red ballet flats because they were all over my Instagram. They've been spending money on the ads, seems like, but looks so nice, and it actually goes really well with the outfit that I'm wearing right now. Pura jo andar ka fabric hai, it's like padded. So like when you wear it, it's going to be so well cushioned and comfortable. I mean, from the first look, they look like regular ballet flats, to be very honest. They're simple red ballet flats, but extremely comfortable. I got these on a sale for 1,700 rupees. Now, theatre is a little bit more premium in terms of the price that they charge, but I think it's for the quality, honestly. And when it comes to shoes, I want to buy shoes that are very good quality. Even if I have to pay thoda sa extra, I think it's fine. My feet need to be well supported, and I'm just not into like buying cheap shoes anymore because they last you for like 6 months and then you have to throw them out. I would rather spend a few extra 100 or 1,000 rupees to get a nice pair. Another great Instagram recommendation, I must say. Guys, how can it be a Mridul Sharma video without cute plates and cups and crockery and just homeware in general? So I found these really cute pasta bowls of sorts from this brand which is called Olive Homes. I'm sorry, it's called Olive Home Accents, and I just got onto their Instagram and they have the cutest Diet Coke mugs with like a straw slot as well. Oh my god, I am ordering these for a couple of people in my life who love Diet Coke. This would make for such a cute gift, and it's so cute. They have so many different types of plates and cups and bowls for you to choose from. I really like their lemon collection. I love lemons, so this I just love. I love the checks, love the stripes, and I just love the combination of pink and red together. I think I've said it a couple of times. I think these are absolutely adorable. Quality भी काफी अच्छी लग रही है. दोनों को मिला के मैंने पे किया 1,200 rupees. And I like these as well. I told you in this video सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा टर्न आउट हुआ है. सिंस हम होम डेकोर की बात कर रहे हैं, मैंने एक और होम डेकोर पीस पिकअप किया था. ये मैंने एक्चुअली 6 महीने पहले पिकअप किया था. Like I've had this piece, I've been using this piece for a while now, and I did this deliberately because it's an expensive piece, so I really wanted to see if it would last the test of time. So the brand is called Trost, and they do handcrafted rugs. Their portfolio is insane, and I think their rugs are just so perfect for modern homes. If you've ever bought rugs, or if you've looked at the prices of rugs online or in stores, you know that rugs are expensive. It's an expensive affair for sure. But I will say that this brand is slightly cheaper as compared to the prices that I've seen. The rug that I bought is not like a full-fledged living room rug, but it's a smaller one. It's a bedside runner, I guess you could say. As I said, I picked it up a while ago, and that time I got it for 3,500 rupees. I've washed it multiple times. I use it obviously every single day. I walk over it every single day, and it still looks just as great. So other than this particular rug, all the rugs that I own are from IKEA. So you can't actually wash them in your washing machine. You need to call people to come and wash them for you. Like you need a special machine. Whereas this rug you can wash in your washing machine because uske niche wo rubber liner nahi hai. But they give you the rubber liner separately, which I think is very, very smart. Because you don't need to worry about slipping because wo niche runner hai taki wo grip rahe. But at the same time you can wash it yourself. I think if you're looking for rugs, definitely check out their page. It's very maximal for sure, but they do have some actually minimal rugs as well. But I think their speciality is the really fun, loud, maximal prints. I picked up quite a few clothing pieces, so I think let's run through them. The first brand is called Thread and Button. Now, I have something to say about this brand. Basically, this particular piece that I'm about to show you was supposed to be a part of my previous video, and it just never made it because we placed an order and we received the product after 2 months or a little bit over 2 months. So Sai from my team had placed an order from her profile, and they just wouldn't respond. They wouldn't tell us कि क्यों हमारा package late हो गया. Finally, I had to text them from my Instagram page, and that is when they replied to us. And उसके बाद थोड़े टाइम बाद आ गया हमारा पार्सल. सो हमारा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्मूथ नहीं रहा था in terms of getting the product. Let me show you what we picked up. We picked up this bandhani sari. ब्लाउज पीस अलग से आया था, ऑब्वियसली मैंने स्टिच कराया था ब्लाउज. व्हेन आई सॉ दिस साड़ी ऑनलाइन आई गैस्प्ड बिकॉज मुझे इतनी ज्यादा सुंदर लगी ये साड़ी. थोड़ा सा वर्क है ये साड़ी पे, बट बहुत ही मिनिमल वर्क है. आई डू रियली लाइक द कलर्स. हाउएवर द फैब्रिक आई फील लाइक I don't know, like I don't love the fabric. I do understand कि वो जो flow आता है साड़ी में कभी कभी वो पतले एकदम फैब्रिक से आता है. But I don't know if I can justify the price tag of 3,800 rupees for this. The next clothing piece I've seen so many celebrities wearing. I've seen Sohali Khan, Neha Dhupia, Kritika Kamra, and a few others wearing this 2-piece kurta set, and it looked so comfortable. It's by this brand called Surma. मुझे anyway Indian like kurti sets पहनना बहुत पसंद है. I wear it almost every single day when I go to my work, which is my studio, and I don't have like a plain off-white or a white kurta set. And this one came in a cotton flex material. So here's the outfit. Cotton flex से मतलब it's not 100% cotton, थोड़ा सा mix है, but I kind of prefer it because when it's pure cotton, it's just so wrinkly and it has थोड़ा सा मतलब flow नहीं आता है उसमें. So I kind of like this, and this feels like it could be very breathable. Honestly, I would say just as much as cotton. So I've been wearing it for a few minutes now, and honestly it's kind of itchy on my skin, which I hate. I thought that it would be super comfortable. I also am not a big fan of the neckline. Like it's not very flattering. It's not making me feel like feminine. I feel like you can skip this one. Recently, there's been a lot of conversation about how most activewear is made of polyester and how everyone's trying to switch to cotton, but it is difficult to find activewear brands that do cotton, and mostly everything is polyester. The brand that I'm going to be talking about today is also mainly polyester based, but it's a sustainable activewear brand. So the brand is called TerraLoop. Now there are multiple different things that they do, and it's all very impressive. The first thing is that their yarn is made in-house from plastic waste, which is really cool. The manufacturing unit that they use, it runs on renewable energy, mainly solar energy. The wastewater that is created in their facility in the process of making clothes, they treat it themselves and then they reuse it also, which is pretty fab. So even though they do make polyester clothing, I think it's a more sustainable brand that I feel like we could definitely support. Let's talk about the actual product now. I really like the color palette that they have going on. It's very interesting, very fresh, and I also really like the silhouettes that they have. Now this was the piece that I was recommended by Instagram, so I picked it up. I will say that I love the pink, but the green honestly on Instagram looked more of a muted green, almost like a pista green, but right now in person it looks like a neon green. I do have one more piece of clothing, but uske pehle I want to show you this cute phone cover that I picked up. The brand is called Pop Culture and they do phone cases. They basically do so many different types of phone cases. I think आपको आपके स्टाइल का फोन केस मिल ही जाएगा. ये मुझे मिला था 999 रुपीस के लिए. अच्छा लग रहा है, मतलब हैवी ड्यूटी लग रहा है, फ्लिम्जी नहीं लग रहा है. I like the print. the pink and the red. I honestly have not much to say about this other than the fact that it's cute. It was decently priced. I do know that it's gonna scratch up over time, but I don't think it's their fault. Plastic cases anyway scratch up. It's a nice find. Coming to the very last piece of clothing, it's a very interesting one. So it's from a brand which is called Feathers Closet. They primarily do loungewear and sleepwear, modern sleepwear. So बहुत सारे sleepwear के options है उनके पास. So basic जो आप PJs सोच रहे हो वो तो वो करते ही है, robes करते हैं वो, maxis भी करते हैं. So I've bought something in between, something that you would not expect me to pick up, but I just thought that it would be interesting to try. So I love wearing like little slip dresses to go to sleep. I feel like they're so comfy, even more than wearing like pajama pants and a shirt or a top on top. I love just wearing like a one piece. It just makes sense why a lot of women wear maxis and go to sleep. So this is what my modern maxi looks like. So it has this very ethnic print. It has these straps and it's like a proper full length maxi. I feel so weird showing a maxi on my page, but it gets better because it comes with a robe. So it comes with a different print ka robe. So it's a print on print action happening together and it actually looks very cool. I don't think this is youthful or Gen Z by any means, but I think it's very comfortable. And I love the robe edition on top. I don't think I'll ever be using the two together because I live in Mumbai. It's just too hot to be layering. But कॉन्सेप्ट वाइज अच्छा लगा मुझे ये. ऑल्सो मुझे जस्ट रियलाइज हुआ ये कि इन केस यू आर एट होम एंड व्हेन यू आर एट होम यू डोंट रियली वेयर अ ब्रा, राइट? सो इट वुड मेक सेंस टू वेयर द मैक्सी घर पे एंड देन अगर कोई आया आपको दरवाजा खोलना है तो आप रोप पहन सकते हो ऊपर से. आई एम ट्राइंग टू जस्टिफाई दिस परचेज इन माई माइंड बिकॉज दिस सेट कॉस्ट मी 3,200 rupees. I think it's very expensive. And the thing is that I feel like I don't love the print. Like I'm not obsessed with the print. It doesn't feel like me. It's very pretty. It's very ethnic. But I feel like if this was in like a pastel color or like a more like stripes or like checks, I feel like I would have been able to justify the price. But other than the design angle of it, it's very comfortable, very good quality. Cotton hai ye, so I think it's great to sleep in. I have one beauty product to talk about and it's from the brand called Anahata Organic. Ye page honestly dekhne layak hai. It's a brand that has been started by a mother-daughter duo and it's like a wellness shop. Their products are so cool. I recently saw this on their page. अगर मैंने पहले देखा होता मैं इसका order पक्का देती. It's a mini tiffin which is a lip tint. They also do cooling kajals, attar, kumkum kits. बहुत ही unique products हैं इनके. So this was the product that I was recommended. This is called the Keshamrit Hair and Scalp Cleanser and this is made with 37 Ayurvedic ingredients. The minute I heard that, I was like, add to cart because मुझे Ayurveda से बहुत fascination है. Ayurveda is a way of life. It's the original soft life and I really want to give this product a shot. इसके सारे ingredients जो पीछे लिखे हैं जैसे शिकाकाई, अश्वगंधा, तुलसी, अरीठा, इंडिगो, कलौंजी, ब्रिंगराज, होल ग्रीन मूंग, बेसिकली जो सारी चीजें लिखी है I can read them, I can decipher what it is, which I really like. My mom is a big fan of like hair cleansers, scalp cleansers that are natural and Ayurvedic, which is also why I picked this up. So this is what the powder looks like. Instruction के हिसाब से I added some water to it and I applied it on my scalp. Now one thing that I did not realize is that you're supposed to keep this pack for 20 minutes and then you wash it off with a regular shampoo, which kind of defeats the purpose for me. When I applied it to my scalp, it honestly really knotted my hair and also it was difficult to remove. In spite of washing it with a shampoo, there was still little particles in my hair, but honestly I did not see a major huge difference in my scalp. The last and final product looks like this. So it's this huge tote bag in a suede fabric. I have no bag that is in this specific color and when I looked at it at first glance, I loved it. Like even on Instagram, बहुत ही pretty लगा. And when I received it also, I was really impressed by the way it looked. So this is by a brand called Label Gen and this was for 3,200 rupees. Now the reason why I say कि at first glance I loved it is because the more I looked at it, the more I thought that it could have been better, let's just say. So starting off with these three pockets that you see, they're not real pockets. Like it's fake. कुछ भी नहीं है यहाँ पे. It's just like for design purposes, which was really disappointing because I was like, oh wow, इसमें अलग अलग sections है, travel के time पे कितना useful होगा. फिर अंदर भी there is no zip inside. Like main बड़ा zip तो है ही नहीं. चलो एक बार I'm going to let go of that. But there are no compartments. There's not like a small, you know, like usually there's like a small zip inside these big tote bags. It does come with this little attachment. It could have compartments. It could have had zips inside. यहाँ पे एक button है, which sure, I mean, don't really care for it. But I mean, it's a nice bag. Like, it's gonna make a statement. I'm not denying that by any means. But I'm just saying functionality-wise, could have been just so much better. There was so much scope for improvement, and especially if I'm paying 3,200, a few zips and pockets would have been appreciated. Don't get me wrong, I'm gonna be using this bag because I am a tote paglu, so I will be using this bag, but I just wish ये थोड़ी चीजें ऐड होती. Guys, just like that, we've come towards the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Of course, everything's going to be linked down below. Go check it out for yourself. And tell me which is your favorite product from everything that I picked up. I don't want to pick a favorite. There were too many good things, honestly. एक दो चीजें थी जो ऊपर नीचे थी, but for the most part, सब कुछ ही बहुत अच्छा था. Guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please go follow me because there's so much love and effort that the team and I are putting in there. बहुत ही ज़्यादा efforts ले रहे हैं. So if you can go follow me there, it would mean so much. Also, go follow Mridula and Aditya. We're so close to 700k. Please go check it out in case you don't know what that is. It's a page that I have with my husband. It feels so weird to say that. You can go check it out. It's going to be linked down below. That's it. I'll see you very, very soon. Bye.